All right, guys. Here we go. Next week. So we've got Monday, April 27th until Friday, May 1st. Just want to let you know that I got up and I put on some earrings for you today. And I also like you to notice how long my hair is getting. So you'll have to send me some pictures of yourself to see if you guys look different as well. I don't think I have anything else. It's a clean sweatshirt, so really happy about that, but nothing too special. We have a couple things that we want to go over with you this week. I'm going to switch between a few different frames for you today, but it shouldn't take us too much time. You guys are really doing a great job as you move through and you work on getting together this business concept project. I think I found a way that we can share your final pitches with the entire class, which I think will be really cool to see your ideas come to fruition. And for those of you that have been my little guinea pigs behind the scenes trying to help me figure out if everything works well with that, then I really appreciate all the work that you've done. I hope that you're all safe and healthy. I hope that everything is okay with your families. I know this unemployment situation is very difficult, so I hope everybody is doing well. So what we want to start out with first today is we've talked about in all of these online plans, this business concept project folder that would be a really good idea for you to keep all of your activities in that we've been recently doing that relate to your project. So in the end, you're going to be able to access them all in one spot. So if we take a look real fast, I happen to just change mine to red. You know, nobody has to have the same setup as I do. But when I come into this business concept folder, which of course Google Docs wants to give me problems right now. These are at the end of, if you've done all the activities, these are the 4 activities that we should have in this folder at this time. So we should have the UVP, we should have the industry analysis, the customer interviews, and also your competition analysis. I just happen to put my name at the front of it just so I could make a copy and show you. If you haven't done that yet, you might want to do that. That could possibly help you out a little bit more. Moving on to the next topic, last week we talked about your company's UVP. We had a lot of them that you guys did that was very good, but I just wanted to bring up, this is my original project. I cut yours down a little bit. So take a look at this UVP for Amazon that we've got right here in the middle of the page. Our vision is to be the Earth's most customer-centric company, to build a place where people can come to find and discover anything they might want to buy online. What I want you to notice with this, and then I know you've already read the Netflix one, is that it's not an advertisement and it's not a slogan. It's not I'm loving it or just do it, but it really is more of a statement of what they're all about and what they're really trying to do to stand out from other companies. When we think about Amazon, we might think of a competitor kind of like a Walmart, for example, the largest retailer in the world. You're going to notice that it doesn't come out against Walmart. It's really just talking about what they want to do well. So most of you did pretty good, but some of you kind of skewed more towards that advertising gimmicky kind of thing, and that's not really what this is going to be all about. Moving on to this week, what we're going to work with is this week we're going to talk about your customers, also known as your target market. So you can see this is the online learning plan for this week. So we've got this activity that we're doing right now, and then you're going to be asked to do your target market activity, which same concept as always. You're going to have all week to do that, and that's going to be due on Friday. So let's take a look at just 2 slides from our target market PowerPoint that we would have normally taken a look at in class. So when we talk about target market, we're definitely talking about your customers. If anybody is still feeling like the whole world is a customer of mine, you are sadly mistaken. That's not a way to be successful. There are hardly any products ever that fall into that category. Even if you think of Walmart, if you go back to that, you've actually got people that are against Walmart because of some of their different ethical practices that they do. So not everybody is everyone's customer. So what we want to take a look at real fast is this guy called Seth Godin. So Seth Godin is kind of known as like the father of marketing. You can totally look him up if you want in some of these publications. He's this ultimate entrepreneur in this information age. He's written around 17 books, maybe more by now. And then he talks about marketing, advertising, business venturing, and also leadership. So we're going to take a look at a little bit of a video from him. It's only going to be about 90 seconds. But in this video, here are a couple things I want you to think about. So as you listen to, it's a video, but it's really more like a podcast thing. It's 90 seconds long. After you listen to him, I want you to think about a topic that you're comfortable with, maybe makeup, fitness, sports, food, anything like that. The second thing I want you to do is think of your friends or family and this topic. So your friends or family and this topic. What kind of a reaction do they have to it? Do they care about the topic? Do they not care about the topic? And the third thing that I want you to kind of reflect on is how different are your choices regarding this product versus your friends or family's choices about this product. So you can try to kind of get an idea of what we're trying to point out. We're going to go on over and take a look and a listen real fast at this Seth Godin video. Let me slide it over here for you so you can see what we're talking about. And we're going to go ahead